So let's see what we have here. This product was given to me to give my honest opinion on, and this is how the bottle is. You get like it's pretty heavy. Um, it's made in the USA. Also has a QR code that you can scan here for more information. It's the directions to use. You can test for total alkalinity. That word. With a reliable test kit, the desired range for total alkalinity is 80 to 140 ppm. And it has like, there's the directions here. It's best to read this in more light because like in the dark it's pretty hard. On the light though, it shows it really well, as you can see. But yeah, so overall, if you have a pool or if you have a spa and want to clean your water and keep it clean, definitely do recommend this, because all you have to do is add 1 ounce, which is about 2 tablespoons to the spa water. Allow water to circulate for 30 minutes, and then you retest the water and repeat the steps until the desired level is reached.